Hello students, today we will learn how to get the point of concurrence of the angle bisectors in a right angle triangle. We will learn how to get the point of concurrence of the angle bisectors in a right angle triangle. So first of all, we need to draw a right angle triangle. Draw a segment, name it Q and R. QR segment. Now take your protractor, keep the center point at the point Q, mark 90 degree. Name this point as P. Join PQ and PR. This is required right angle triangle PQR. Since it is 90 degree right angle triangle, so we will give 90 degree sign. In a triangle, if one angle is of 90 degree, then that triangle is known as right angle triangle. Now we need to draw angle bisector of all three angles. So first of all, we'll draw angle bisector for angle R. This intersecting point you can name as A. Join RA. Draw ray RA. So ray RA is the angle bisector of angle QRP, which divides this angle into two equal halves. Same procedure will do from point Q. Keep the steel point at the point Q and draw arc. Keeping the same distance, you need to draw two more arcs. Now join Q and this point. We can name this point as B. Draw ray QB. Ray QB divides the angle PQR into two equal halves. These marks are identical marks, which denotes that angle is equal. Both the angles are equal. Now we need to find out angle bisector of angle P. Keep the steel point of the compass at point P. Draw arc. Keeping the same distance, you need to draw two more arcs. So this is the intersecting point. You can name this point as C. Join ray PC, P to C. Ray PC. Now this ray PC divides the angle QPR into two equal halves. Now you can see all these points, all these rays are meeting at this point. We can name this point as I. So we can see that angle bisectors of this right angle triangle lie in the interior. Okay, so the point of concurrence of the angle bisectors of right angle triangle lie in their interior. The point of concurrence of the angle bisectors in a right angle triangle lie in their interior. It means inside the triangle. Thank you.